What is up, Math Music fans? I know I have epic feet, but what's even more epic than my feet is this new thing I just got. It's a wireless phone charger. I know a lot of people have had these, but it's my first time. So I thought, hey man, Saturday banger, I'll unbox it for y'all. So without further ado, let's get going. Oh, this is epic, man. Let's get this out of here. Look at this. So we will start with the device itself. Now, I got mine in black. I got the 5-watt version. There's also a faster 7.5-watt version. I would guess it was 50% faster. But here it is. You can see it has a little cool little, only kind of see it in the light. It's a cool little Belkin logo on it. Belkin. Again, this is a Belkin Boost Charge wireless charging pad. So let's get this whole cord. Let me put this down. And I'm just getting this cord undone, boys, and dope. Okay, this is cool. We got a cord right here. Woo! Okay. And that cord is accompanied by this, which is cool. So you can plug this in, and you can charge your phone wirelessly, which is seriously cool. I really like the concept of this. Now, if you have an iPhone, this only works for iPhones 8 or higher. I do own an iPhone 8. I love my iPhone 8. I think it's the perfect iPhone, let me tell you. So anyways, I'm going to take you guys on a little trip here with me to the wall outlet. So, let's plug that in. And I am going to rest my phone. And I can see on the, yes, it is charging. It is charging. I can see on the top right of my phone that it is charging. I'm at 76%. It has that nice little lightning bolt little thingy on there. So epic, guys. Unboxing. I really do like doing unboxings, but they are inherently expensive. Because, you gotta get something new, right? But anyways, that is super exciting. I'm really stoked to have this new toy. You can also get one that kind of comes like a stand, so like you can you feel me. But anyways, Math Music Saturday banger. I will stream later tonight. Math Music, peace out.